Okay, 5th grade, now we're doing our last and final thing. Put Roman numeral 4 up here for Miss Sharber and write these directions. Write each fraction or mixed number as a decimal. So now we're going the other way. Okay, and these practice problems you can follow with me are on page 9, and we're going to do numbers 20 to 23 together. Okay, number 20 is a mixed number, and I need to change it to a decimal. We read this 2 and 1 1/100ths. Now how am I going to put that as a decimal? Well, if you're having a hard time, take your place value chart out again. 2 is my whole number, so we write that first. And then I said 2 and 1 100th. So I said and, then I know this is becoming my decimal part. And how do I write 1 100th? Well, I have to put my 0 first and then a 1. Keeping in mind that when we read it this way, 2 and 1, what place is that 1 in? The hundredths. Good. Because if you were to have written 2 decimal point 1, we would read that 2 and 1, and what place is that in? Tenths. So we don't want that. This is 100, so I know I need to go over 2 place values to the right. All right, good job. Number 21, again they gave me a mixed number, and I need to change it to a decimal. So 9 and 3/10. Again, 9 is my whole number, so it's going to go first. Then I said and, so now I know I need to put my decimal in there. And then how do I write 3/10 as a decimal? I know tenths is the first place to the right, so now I just have to put 3 in there. And again, we would read it to check 9 and 3, and we would be in the tenths place. Again, you can check this, so when you put your answer, put it in the chart, and then make sure when you read it, it matches up with the correct words in the place value chart. Okay, now they have given us just a fraction. Number 22, please put 9/10 down. And how do I write 9/10 as a fraction? Well, you would go in your place value chart, find the tenths place, put that 9 in there, and then you will see that we just have to put 0 decimal point 9. Good job. I think you're getting it. All right, number 23. We have 1 and 18 100ths. Again, they went back, and this is a what? Yes, a mixed number. Good. So now I'm going to write 1 as my whole, put my decimal point. Now how am I writing 1800ths? I know I have to put a 1 and an 8 here. 1 and 18, and 8 is in that hundred spot. And that is our last task for today. So now I encourage you to try numbers 24 through 27 and try to stump the teacher. Bring me some questions. Okay, finish your stuff. See you tomorrow.